So we're having a closer look at what the worker bees do. Here you can see the pollen baskets on this worker bee's legs, which is a white colour, and on this one it's orange. Now this was footage shot back in the spring, so the white pollen is potentially hazel tree pollen, while the orange could be from cabbage plant or apple tree blossom. It does vary with the season. And again here on this one at the top, sort of top middle of the screen, there's actually red pollen, which at the time of year we believe this was dandelion. Right, so you can see here, this is a drone bee, which I'm just very, very gently holding in my glove. And as we were saying before, they're the only ones who don't sting. I certainly wouldn't do this to a worker bee because she would sting, she wouldn't like this. But just to show you, so you can see he's got very big eyes. He's quite a big size bee compared to the workers. So I'm going to put him back on the frame. So you can see the worker bees there. You can see the size difference. So just letting him go. There he is, he's scuttled off underneath. So on this footage, just smoking the worker bees away, and we can see we've got some queen cups or queen cells. You can see distinctively on the right hand one has hatched, while the other on the left has not at the moment. And this colony actually swarmed back in the spring. So that's what the queen cells look like, they're sort of a peanut shape cell, usually hanging from the bottom of the frame. And on this bit of footage here on the left of the screen, you can see the very fast moving bee. I believe this is a virgin queen, so this is possibly the one that had hatched from the cell we saw earlier. I'm just repeating this in slower motion, so you can see her on the left there. They move very quickly and she's very restless, which is an indication she's about to do her mating flight. Either that or she's very camera shy. You can see she's just very slightly bigger than the worker bees and not easy to spot. And then we can see this is a queen that's already done her mating flight. You can see how she has a bigger abdomen. I'm just repeating that clip again in slower motion, so you can see how she has a longer abdomen. So that's how you can tell her apart from the worker bees. I haven't put a dot on this one at the moment. And she's checking for cells that are empty, that she hasn't laid eggs in. And she's just checked that one, and you can see she's just inserted her abdomen and she will have laid an egg in that cell.